Hey guys, this is 2093 and today I'm going to show you a really cool new function which YouTube provides, and this function is called Leanback. So the first thing you want to do to be able to come to the function is you're going to type in this URL www.youtube.com/leanback, and the first here we go, the first site that should come up if you're not already signed in with your YouTube account is this site here. So now I'm just going to type in my username and my password. Then I'm just going to hit sign in. So after you have signed up, you will notice that the interface
Hey guys, it's Brandon from Techno Buffalo.
You'll notice that the interface of the Leanback service from YouTube is completely different than the usual YouTube layout, because you do not have the ability to subscribe to a channel, add to favorites, or post comments. But that's not really a big deal because the service is called Leanback, so you're supposed to not do anything else than just watch the movie anyway, so it doesn't matter that those functions are not given in this specific mode from YouTube. And to give you an overview of the most remarkable things in Leanback, you will notice that if I go over this Safari window with my mouse, I cannot see the player or anything else, like the player, which shows me how long a video is and how far it's already loaded. And that's because, as I already mentioned, the service is called Leanback, and that means that you're supposed to lean back in your chair and control the video using the arrow keys on your keyboard and the spacebar. So for example, when I hit the spacebar, you will notice that the video is actually playing, and you can see the little player which indicates how long a video is and how far it has already loaded and things like that. But as I mentioned, you cannot do any of the other special things like posting comments and things when you're in this mode. But I think it doesn't matter because of the name, as I already said. And so what you can do is you can pause and play the video using the spacebar, and then you can also like click on the arrow key here to, for example, move forward or things in the video. So all of these things get controlled with the spacebar. And if you hit the down arrow on the keyboard, then you can see all of the videos which friends from your channel or subscribers have uploaded or commented on. And like this, you can go through all of these videos that other users, which you probably know in some way, have uploaded or commented. You can go through them, and then let's say I want to watch this one here. My Apple iPhone 4 has no signal, the interview. Well, what it then do is I first of all you find it again, and then I just hit the enter button, and now you can see here that YouTube is connecting to the server and loading this video, and it should be uploaded soon. So here we go, here it is. And yeah, so here you have the usual player and things, and I think this is a really innovative way of controlling YouTube videos, because as I said, you don't use a mouse, you just use the arrow keys, and this is all very well programmed because it works really well. And so like this, I can go through all of these videos, and if I'm interested in one, just hit enter and then I can see it. And another thing I can do is I can hit the up arrow key. Okay, then it says search YouTube, and this is the only one where I actually need the mouse, because I need to, or the cursor, because I need to program, or I need to click on it to be able to write something in it, but after that I do not need a mouse anymore. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for my own channel, and so you can see that I search for my channel. The videos do not come up directly, but you get a preview of what kind of videos are on my channel or any other search term or channel that you type in, and then you can just, let's say I want to watch the Steve Jobs biography part 1, then I can just hit enter, and then the video plays and I can lean back and enjoy the Steve Jobs biography. And yeah, that's about all of the functions that the new YouTube service Leanback provides, and I need to say that those functions are really well programmed and they work really well, and this is really useful. The service is really useful if you just want to lean back and watch a video without doing anything else while you're watching it, like writing comments or subscribing or things like that, as I mentioned earlier. And I really like this new way of watching YouTube videos because it's so innovative and so fun to do, in my opinion. So again, thanks for watching. Add me as a friend, post video responses, and stay tuned for my other videos, which will be uploaded soon, and they will be about Mac OS 10 and anything else tech related that I think is interesting to share with you guys. So again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for my other videos, and of course to also try lean back and post comments on how you find this new service, because there are probably a few people who are going to say that YouTube could also include these kind of things into lean back, and that's really interesting for me to hear and everybody else in the community as well. So again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for other videos. Bye.